gets the puck to center ice for Ryan Reeves.
Good play by Reeves. He didn't touch that puck. He let Garrison do it, so it wouldn't be a hand pass.
Lord comes in a shot. Save, rebound, they score! Paquette into the top corner. And it's 1-0.
This kid is red hot. Last 4 games now, he's got 6 goals as one of the NHL Players of the Week, and now a +6. Cedric Paquette just with a blast right there. After the first one there, the Blues can't get it in deep, and you can see Drouin Paquette, and then the quick shot by Alex Killorn. The rebound comes right out, and before Gotch can get his fellow centerman, Cedric just fires this one high to the glove side as the goaltender Brian Elliott stops the first one, but the rebound's right out front in a dangerous area.
So Paquette, a 6th-round pick a couple of years ago out of the Quebec League. As Darren said, now it's 6 goals in 4 games. Here's Garrison, a pass. And a long shot to the right point by Luke Witkowski wide. And now Garrison has it again to the net. And a blocker save by Elliott. And Stastny away for the Blues. He gets it back from Schwartz, now in for Tarasenko. Down low. Schwartz was there, couldn't get it on goal. And then played on to Stastny. Stastny back the line, long shot by Jackman. More of a pass than anything.
Yes, it was.
Broken up by the Lightning.
You're right, he was trying to give that back to Tarasenko.
And now tipped in by Stastny. And he goes off on a line change. Killorn and Drouin get the assist on the goal by Paquette. And now Barron Jackman under some pressure there. And the Lightning come up with it. Callahan with it. For Victor Hedman. Hedman across. And Strawman's shot hit a shin pad. Now another backhander. That one by the former Ranger captain Callahan. Blues get it. And now moved along to center ice by Cole. And off the skate of Backes in deep. Shots are 5-1 for the Lightning.
Well, it's not uncommon coming off a road trip like the Blues have just had. 3 in basically 4.5 days to start out a little sluggishly. And of course, John Cooper and Tampa Bay, you know, they wanted St. Louis to weather the storm early on in this game.
And a good keep in by the rookie Paquette. And 4 players jam up. Now it's work free by Killorn. And then Drouin, former first-round pick a couple of years ago.
And 3rd overall.
And a shot hit the back of the goal, covered by Ryan Elliott. So a good start for the Lightning. Paquette is 11th. It's 1-0.